Hello and greetings. Welcome to video number 3 on the series of Logic Invoice. On this video, I'll show how to remove the powered by and also the link. So let me go ahead and bring up. So you'll notice if I hover over it in the bottom left, you'll see that if I click on it, it's going to take me back to the same site. So if I'm here on how to pay and I click on here, it's going to take me back to the home page. So now how I did this is the following. Let me close this out, and I created a PDF so you guys can actually follow along. So if you edit this particular file, this SQL file, the logic underscore invoice.sql, if you go to line 728, you can actually change what you want there, and it's going to affect the entire site at the same time. But this has to be done, and I even put it on here, maybe edit it before installation, because remember, once it installs, it gets rid of that folder. So yeah, so this is if you want to do it at the very beginning. If you're barely at the install stage and so forth, it might be worthwhile to clear your database and then just load it up. That way it affects all of them. But in essence, it's not that bad. There's a total of 5 files. Here's the location for this one, and it's on line number 2. And then here's this one, and it's on line 12. So hopefully that makes sense, and I'll show you a file, what it looks like. So let me bring over my web browser, my file explorer, and remember I have mine under downloads. No, it's actually under local software here, and Logic Invoice, uploader. So the first file that I'm looking for, I guess I could zoom out. The first file that I'm looking for is here. It's going to be under applications, so it's going to be under applications, language, ENB, common, and footer. If you notice, I have 2 because I made a copy. I didn't want to lose the original one. And then all I did here was just edit this piece right here. See, here's the freelancetech.com tutorials or tutorial, and then the site that I wanted it to point to. So here would be the site, and then I just uploaded each file that I needed over to the original spot, and that's it. It actually, once you refresh, you get the result of like this. So you can actually see this would be the end result once you actually upload all those files. Anywhere you go, you'll see that follows you around. Again, all that good jazz. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.